Hi everyone! Today I'm going to talk to you about starting a Zoom account for the purposes of group video chatting. To do so, we're going to start from a computer that operates from Microsoft Word. So if you have a Mac, this is not the training to follow. To do so, you're going to open up your browser. I'm using Google Chrome, so just double click. This will open to your normal browser. Mine opens up to Symbaloo, but yours might open up to google.com or to your local library, whatever your normal homepage is. So you're going to want to select your normal homepage's website and type in zoom.us. Click enter. So this will take you to Zoom website. In the top right corner, there's a button that says sign up. It's free in blue. Click that button. It'll take you to a screen where you need to put in the email address that you'd like to use with your Zoom account. I recommend using the email address that you gave as your preferred contact number. Then click the blue sign up button. The sign up button. It'll send you a link to your email address. In your email, it'll have a confirmation email or a link to activate your account, and once you click on it, it will look like this. And you're going to click activate your account. In order to do this, it'll take you back to the Zoom website, and it'll have a welcome to Zoom site. Fill out your personal information and put in a password that's easy to remember. Once you get that confirmed, it'll take you to another screen that says invite your colleagues. Just skip this step for now. I know this button looks invisible, but it still works. So click skip this step, and it'll start your test meeting. You can click that, and it'll take you to a download screen. A download should automatically pop up in the bottom left corner of your screen. So Zoom is installing when the screen shows up, and it's going to install an actual Zoom software on your computer. It should be a pretty quick download, but it may take a little while depending on your internet status. To end your test meeting, hit the End Meeting button in red in the bottom corner of your screen. It's on the right side. This is a drop-down bar, so if it's not showing, just run your cursor along the bottom of the screen and it will pop up. Okay, once downloaded, a pop-up will appear on your screen that looks like this. This is now where you join Zoom meetings, and it'll have a connection to it. Okay, so this is where you get access to all your meetings. You're going to want to click Join with Computer Audio, so that way any speaker on your computer can be used to have a conversation in the meetings. This will also allow feedback to come in through your computer speakers if you have them. This is the screen where you would want to click on the bottom or run your mouse on the bottom until that black taskbar appears with the End Meeting in the bottom right corner in red. Click End Meeting and this screen will disappear. So when signing into Zoom for the first time, click Sign In, put in your email address and that easy to remember password. And a screen will pop up. This is what allows you to have access to all your meetings. So it'll showcase upcoming meetings here on the right. It'll allow you to join a meeting or start a new meeting. Once on the screen, you can minimize it and go back into your email. You're going to open up your email and find your invitation, and it'll say Transition Team Teach. And click on the Zoom link. So you may also find it in a email link from me for our classroom. I will be emailing it out weekly. And it'll take you to a website. A pop-up should appear that says open in Zoom, and that will open the meeting in the application you downloaded. Click open Zoom. It will start launching the software and take you to a preview screen like this. Click join with video. And then you'll click again, join with computer audio. This will take you to the screen, and as more individuals join the meeting, it will go into a grid-like thing where you'll be able to participate. The first thing that you want to do when you're in a meeting is go to the bottom left portion of your screen and click the mute button. When it's clicked, it prevents anyone from hearing audio on your end, so there's no feedback issues. I'll resume talking about Zoom in a deeper way tomorrow during the meeting. To leave the meeting, click on the bottom right side of your screen where it says red, leave the meeting. Click yes.